let's take a look at how to add shipping addresses on Amazon. So you can click the affiliate link in the description or the top comment down below. It'll take you right to your addresses, or you can follow along here. We're going to go up and click on our name, or we can go down and click account. It's going to take us to the same place. And then we're going to see a little bubble in here called your addresses. Now from here, we're going to click on that, and we can actually hit this plus icon right here to add an address. So when you click on that, it's going to allow you to add an address. We can add an address here easily just by putting in our name. It might have your phone number in here. You can put in whatever you want. And then down here at the bottom, as we scroll down, you'll see an address area. So as we type in whatever the shipping address is that you want, this can actually be someone else's address as well if you're trying to ship something to someone else. But we can put in the address, you know, city, state, zip code, everything. You can make it your default by checking this box right here. So if you move, you might want to update your default address. And then you can also add some delivery instructions, but that's totally optional. Once you're done, just click add address here at the bottom. I guess it does require a phone number. So we're going to put in a fake phone number here. Let's see, 55555. Is that enough fives? I'm not sure if it's going to allow us to do this. Let's find out. Add address. There we go. So that's how you can add a shipping address on Amazon.